Hello friends, today I will be showing you a oats cake recipe which is a complete healthy recipe. There is no butter, no oil in this recipe, and this is eggless too. So let's prepare this delicious cake recipe. This is as you can see, we have used 125 grams of oats. So these are the oats which are easily available. This is the 100 gram of jaggery which we have grated and kept it. So we have not used sugar in this recipe, and this is fresh grated coconut. So we have used about 1 cup of fresh grated coconut here. You can also use the coconut powder which is available in the market. So next we will be using what we have used curd in this recipe, but before that, this is watermelon seeds as a dry fruits. We have used 25 grams of that, and then we have used curd in this recipe. So the curd is about 200 ml which will be used in the recipe, and the dry fruits are, this is the raisins 50 grams, and this is the cardamom powder half teaspoon, baking powder half teaspoon, and salt as per taste. So these are our ingredients. So we will be preparing the cake recipe in OTG or oven. So initially what we need to do is we need to mix all the mixture, so that we have taken the oats in a bowl. So we have not grinded the oats, we have used as it is. So this is a complete oats recipe. After adding oats in a bowl, we will be adding grated coconut, which is about 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. So we have taken 125 grams of oats. Now we will be adding all the things in this bowl, and then we have to mix it thoroughly. So please watch it until the end. I will show you exact temperature at what you have to bake the cake. So now we have added the grated jaggery, which is about 100 grams. So if you want, you can add sugar, but jaggery is a little more healthier than sugar. So we have added jaggery here, which is grated. So now we will be adding raisins into this bowl. We will keep a few to garnish at the last. So this is a 100% healthy oats cake. There are no other things like wheat flour or maida added into this recipe. So now we will be adding watermelon seeds, which are also known as magas. So we have roasted a little the watermelon seeds. These are also readily available in the market. So as you can see, we have used 2 types of dry fruit in this recipe. Now we will be adding the curd into this bowl. So this is about 200 ml of curd, which is about half of the cup. It is a half of the bowl we have added, which is exactly 200 ml. So we need to mix it thoroughly. So now we need to transfer the contents of this glass dish into a bigger vessel, so that we can mix it thoroughly. So but before that, now we have added the cardamom powder, which is about half teaspoon. This is the baking powder half teaspoon, and now this is the salt as per taste. So we will be mixing it, and to mix it thoroughly, we will be transferring the contents of this glass dish into another vessel, so that we can mix it thoroughly. So this is a 100% oats cake, which is prepared only using oats. There is no wheat flour, no maida, and there are no other things, no flour used. Only oats cake, which is very healthy. No oil, no butter. So this is a 100% healthy cake. Even there is no sugar. Instead of sugar, we have used the jaggery, which is grated. So I would request you to subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon for latest recipe notifications. So as you can see, we have transferred the contents of the glass dish into a steel vessel, so that we can mix it thoroughly, because each and everything needs to be mixed. We have not grinded the oats here. We have used the oats as it is. Once we mix it thoroughly, then we will be adding this directly into the cake vessel, and then we will be baking it. So I will be telling you the exact temperature at which you need to bake the cake and preheat the oven. So please watch this recipe until the end. It is a very yummy and delicious cake recipe. So what we have done is we have only applied clarified butter to the vessel, and then we have poured the cake mixture into the vessel, and then we will be keeping the vessel into the oven. So now we will be adding some dry fruits over the top. So once it is ready, then we will be keeping it in oven. So we have tested this recipe in oven, and I will be telling you the exact temperature. We have preheated the oven for 10 minutes over 250 degrees Celsius, and then once it is preheated, then we will be keeping the vessel into the oven. And once we keep the vessel, we have to cook for 45 minutes for 250 degrees. So as you can see, we have garnished the dry fruits over the cake, and now with the help of a spoon we will be so please note it down. We have preheated the oven for 10 minutes on 250 degrees Celsius, and then once we have kept the vessel, we need to cook for 45 minutes for 250 degree Celsius. So once you cook this, it will be completely ready. We have tested it. So this is the required temperature and time needed to bake this cake. So please follow this. As you can see, we have also tested it, so it is perfectly ready. So this is ready now. Once we take down from the oven, once we take it out from the oven, now we have to allow it to completely cool at room temperature, and then only we will be cutting it into pieces. So please allow it to completely cool. As you can see, the oats cake is completely ready. This is very delicious and yummy and healthy. So this will be a tea time cake. This can be served as a tea time cake or as a breakfast. So now even I will be showing you from the inside. It has baked perfectly. The ingredients which we have used, the coconut and the jaggery as well as the curd, gives a very good taste to the cake recipe. So please prepare this cake recipe and tell us how it is. Please share your comments and suggestions through the comment section below, and if you have liked this recipe, please like it and share it with your family and friends. So as you can see, it is completely ready. So we have also prepared cake recipes in cooker. Please check the video description below to find the video link. So this is our cake which is completely ready. This is a 100% healthy oats cake, only and only oats cake. There are no other flours or no artificial colors added into this recipe. So this is today's recipe. This is the oats cake which we have prepared it in oven. So keep enjoying food, keep smiling. Until then, goodbye.